Hello everyone. Today's video tutorial, we will learn how to use Shopify for dropshipping. So if you want to set up your own Shopify, please watch our first video. So for now, we will click Browse Product. Then we will click Print Full, Print on Demand for our supplier. Then Add App. Then Install App. Now click Allow All and sign up with our Google. Click your email ad and just wait until we are connected. Now just click I agree and sign up. For verification, then just answer some questions about yourself. Click finish. Then connect store to your email. Then add product. We will click this one for our sample product. Click choose file. Then to sample files. Then we'll just click the first option for this tutorial. Click proceed to media. Choose your color. Then proceed to media. Yes, continue. And for our custom markup, we will just choose the markup sample. Then proceed to pricing. Submit to store. Now we will just wait until our product is finished. Then view in Shopify. Now we can see our product in our Shopify website. And that's how you use Shopify for drop shipping. If you like this kind of video, please click like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.